Alright, guys.
So guys.
Whew.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this bit. Where's the pepper?
Pepper?
It's the paper. Where is the paper?
I thought you were saying pepper.
Where's the paper?
No. What?
The paper.
The paper's gone?
Yes.
Oh my.
Where's the paper?
I don't know, but at least we got. What? Oh.
I forgot there was there.
You mean it was there? Sabagay. Guys, sometimes hindi na kami nagro-Roblox game tawag doon. At saka tingnan mo kamay ko. Naging green na rin kamay ko.
I'm not. I have a squishy in there. I made it squishy. Yep. It's on another blind bag. It's on another blind bag.
So we're gonna be opening all blind bags.
no,
I meant only one blind bag.
yeah. It's only,
And the end.
yep. It's my birthday.
Yeah, and the other one? Yeah.
Yeah.
And her birthday, the other one. But we won't
But-
be opening all blind bags.
But my birthday
Is still February
February 19th.
2017. What now? I guess your I know your birthday because we're best friends since childhood. Since 2023.
Yep. We just met.
Yeah.
I'm moving here.
Yeah. And the third day of them living here, we became friends. Hi guys.
Sa galing sa cellphone.
So guys, as you all know, na meron bagong balita na may tatay na may kinuhang kutsilyo tapos pinagbabato sa anak. Tapos sa asawa. Tapos sa second anak. Pero yung tatlo yung pantatlong anak.
Sa dinalupinan.
Apo.
Yung nalunod.
Ha? Nalunod?
Nawawala siya, tapos nalunod. Anim na taon na.
14
Si Baby
years old?
JJ?
Anim nga eh.
Ah, kala ko si Baby JJ.
Sa may San Ramon.
Wawa.
Nawawala yung...
Nawala, tapos nakita patay mo.
Parang si Baby JJ yung nawala.
6 years old.
3 years old yung si Baby JJ nawala eh. Wawa, nalunod sa may kanal. Ano tawag doon yung sa malaking kanal?
Loob.
Hindi po.
Anong kanal?
Bas,
Kanal.
Connor?
malaki lang po. Yung parang may mga pipes. Tapos may tubig po. Nalunod po siya dun. Init pa din kahit naka-aircon.
Ba?
Wow! Ano?
Naging ano parang...
Teal.
I'm like...
I'm gonna be sus for a second.
Ew!
Why?
Well,
Why are you showing yourself? Magic wand. You will see Celestine in 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna make... Okay, here's the colors. And here's the another color.
Yeah.
And here's the Christmas tree.
Ooh, you make something out there.
Kita niya yung video niya. Tingnan niya yan.
Ano?
Ito yung ginawa ko.
Hindi. I didn't see it, pero mamaya.
Naman.
Ah.
I'm gonna squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Guys, if Celestina's big brother did something really bad, I will report him and then kick his butt.
Oh.
Yeah, and his nuts.
What is a nut? What is nuts?
At least it isn't his balls.
Oh my god. I know the balls.
Yeah.
But that's so sus.
Yeah, like super.
Yep.
What do you want? Balls or nuts?
Nope. None.
Guys, I have a Christmas hat. Jingle bells, taing Isabel, maputi, mapula, madudumi-dumi, hey! Ang bahay namin puno ng bangkay.
Huh?
Ay, bangkay. Si Joy tumalon sa bintana. Bali, buto. Mali pa mo lyrics namin.
Balik ka rin mo, balik ka rin.
Thank you po, sir. Ay, thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Pamamasko ko po, 1,000.
Ay, kailangan na white kasi walang white. At saka red.
Oh, red.
This is red.
Magic wand. Papuntahin si Celestine dito. In 3, 2, 1. Uy, wait lang.
7.
Okay, gonna. Oh gosh. Is it okay? Never mind. Let's make it blurry. What's that?
Oh, we forgot.
We forgot the blue. Oh yeah. So bye guys. Kidding.
It's not okay if we mix this.
Yeah. Don't mind that it mixed.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was so deary. If you guys know what deary means, that means disgusting.
Yeah.
Disgust. He's the most disgusting guy in the whole world. Celestine's brother, big brother actually. Oh!
Oh my gosh, it's falling.
Oh!
Oh gosh. Okay. So I'm making a gingerbread. Oh my gosh, it's falling. Okay, let's put the colors.
Two,
Do you mean gingerbread is a brown?
three,
Is a brown body?
4.
I like gingerbread sticks.
Gingerbread sticks? I don't know what that means, but okay.
No. Gingerbread cookies.
Oh.
But
Bye, guys!
oh gosh.
But we're not still ending the video.
Oh, it's 8. 8
8 minutes. And we're still gonna make a part 3.
Whoa!
Si Joy tumalon sa
Sabi-
bintian. Sa bawal.
Go on to.
Bye, guys!
Part 3.
Uy, anong part 3? Aray, guys, pinapalo ng nanay ko. Liit naman ang kamay.
Liit ng nanay.
Bro! Mas malaki po. Ay!
Alam mo yung mini people? Ay, yung nanay ni Pete, maliit ang nanay niya. Ni Pete.
Ni Pete.
Oh.
Alam ko yan, yung parang ginger yung buhok. Yung parang orange.
Oh. Tapos ni-exchange na yung brother niya.
Guys, isang chismis sa classroom namin. May bago kaming classmate. Pangalan Joshua. Galing siya sa casa ni Yani. Tapos, Kinuha niya yung ballpen ko na gustong ko. Yung purple na kapit na ballpen galing, ano tawag doon? Pandayan. Isa pang, madami pang chismis.
Oh, may pangalan na kaklase na Joshua din.
Lalaki.
Daniel Joshua.
Ay.
Daniel. Tawag namin Joshua.
Kami naman, tatawagin sana ng teacher namin John Joshua kasi pangalan kasi ng classmate namin John Joshua. Ayun yung pangalan niya. Pero tawag namin sa kanya din Joshua. Mas matanda siya sa akin. That grade 4 na siya. Pero,
Bakit?
ala lang, mas matanda lang siya sa amin. Mas matanda kesa
Oo.
sa bully namin.
Malapit na mag-11. Pero wala pa nga ako 8.
Ah! Ano malapit na mag-11 pero wala pang 8. Ako pa nga mas matanda. So, ikaw yung bubulihin ko. Sige, ya AJ. I will smack your balls.
That means is wet.
No, it's this one.
What?
It's this one. I will smack his balls. And I will smack his butt either. You guys might think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna give you more chismisan. When we were about to go to the classroom that we're gonna eat, at the nursery of our school, Immaculate Heart of Mary, we saw all the students came there to just talk about and eat there without letting permission. It's like there's a canteen there, but it's a room, of course. The nursery teacher got mad. Come on. Oh. This is the one which I'm gonna smack.
Oh my.
I just took a picture of him. Bye, guys.